shutting you off and everything. Let's see. Why is that one being held off? I don't like that. Oh, I know why. Dummy. Hey, dummy. You gotta put it all in there. Forgot the plate. Fucking idiot. Helps when you put it all together right, guys. Alright, now we'll get somewhere right. Jeez, almost wrecked it out the gate. I could probably set this in my press and do it. That looks pressed. A little more pressed than this one, eh? But that ain't going nowhere. So, let's try it. We'll try her out. Hook her up here. The other side is right here. Blow that off as well. I still need to go to town. And, get some parts. Oh, what is going on here? Oh, it's this side. Stupid. There we go. We will be back in the saddle again. Back in the saddle again. Now I gotta make sure I got some hydraulic fuel, oil, I mean. Okay, just like that. Hopefully it's long enough. It looks like there was a lot of room on there, so if not, we'll be screwed all over again. We'll run that on the wire wheel quick. Ta-da, bingity bangity boom, back in action. So, oh man. I probably could have used a little bit different one, but that's okay. This will work. We only lost, what, a couple, 4 or 5 inches. All right, guys, see you there.